Once upon a time, there was a witch, and she was walking back to her house.
Halloween tradition, just a quick ad.
When a chainsaw popped out of her door. She opened the door and saw a scary clown holding the chainsaw. She screamed, and she was so scared that she needed a mindful moment. She ran away from her house, and the clown ran out with the chainsaw. She ran back to her house, and she took the mindful moment jar and she shook it up. She placed it on top of her roof and she watched it. She took a few deep breaths and she started to feel better. So then she went to tell all of her friends that a clown was in her house with a chainsaw. One of her friends was on the trampoline. His name was Johnny. And that is the story of the Halloween play.
Thank you for coming to the Halloween play. Walkadoodle. Keep walking. I will bring the clown mask down and I will be telling you how it's made. Walkadoodle, walkadoodle, walkadoodle. Walkadoodle, walkadoodle, walkadoodle.